This is the GameSir Tarantula Pro, a gaming controller that looked really cool. Inside the plastic, we have ourselves another box. It can connect to PC, Switch, Android, and iOS, which is kind of crazy. And now, looks like we got ourselves our controller. This thing is decently weighted and feels really good in my hands. Listen to the clicking. Ah, you gotta love instructions. Well, if you ever have a question about it, I guess this giant instruction, which is more than 4 feet big, can answer it. Check out this sticker's quality. We also do have the dongle so I can plug it into my computer and use this controller. We got ourselves a 6-foot cord here, and they are not playing around with this thickness. And it looks like we can plug it back here in the back of the controller, or we can plug it in here. And would you look at that? There's a storage spot for the dongle in here. And with these 4 prongs at the bottom here, I can just set the controller on there, and it can charge while beyond display. That's cool. There are 28 buttons on this controller, and this GameSir right here, yeah, that's also clickable. Oh, and it powered on. The keys on here are not actual stickers or 3D printed. They're being projected onto the keys. Feels great, and it says it can connect to Android. All right, let's see how easy it is to connect. Turning on the Bluetooth, click the controller, and we're paired. Thing you need to know about connecting this device. All right, in these massive instructions, there are 4 different ways for 4 different devices to connect. Lights on the front indicate each different one, and to connect my controller to Android, I'd have to hold the chicken icon and the bottom button. So normally when you press it down, it goes down quite a bit, but if you turn the switch on, now it's a light press. If you flip the switch to lock, they don't activate. The detail on the front looks amazing. All the buttons have a solid use. This RGB here up at the top. Ooh, looks like I can switch through different apps on here. Oh, come on. The jump button works pretty well. I can crouch and crawl around with this. This is like surprisingly good. Come on. Oh my gosh. And first Call of Duty win with the controller. This controller is pretty good. All around a super solid controller that I am glad I got. I hope this review was helpful.